Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today the plan is to install LED bulbs into eBay headlights. It comes with the halogen bulbs, which I don't like it. Obviously they look cheap and stuff, so here it is. I did one side. I'm going to show you what I did on the other side, and then I'm using these. I've been using these for quite a few years. They're LASFIT. They've been good so far. I honestly haven't had any issues with them. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I did. If you're running the eBay headlights, let me set you up, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so first, get yourself a small screwdriver, flat one, or something that you can fit in here. Let me see if I can set you up somewhere like this. Okay, so first you're gonna uncap this. Okay, so first uncap this, and then you have to unplug it. Okay, it's kind of hard to use one hand. Now, see the flat spot? You're gonna put a screwdriver there and slowly just pull it out. Don't yank it. You don't want to break it. First we need to drill a bigger hole in here, because you have this cooling fan and obviously the wiring, so now everything can fit in here. So you gotta make a bigger hole. So what I do is I use this slowly. Watch your hands. So just drill it out. What I would do is cut it with the Dremel around. Okay, this is the plan. If you bought the eBay lights, you'll get these caps. So I'm gonna use these caps to glue them, and they'll go on here. So I grinded off these. So now we gotta open this up a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is melt some plastic to weld this around with the plastic. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. If you guys decide to use this plastic welding kit, it's obviously, you know, the best brand out there, Chicago Electric. It's from the best store, Harbor Freight. I think it's like 10 to 15 bucks, I think I paid. Not sure now. But anyway, so yeah, as you can see, that's all done. Okay, so now there's plenty of room in order for this plug to be in here. First off, I don't know if you guys gonna be there's the grommet. First, get these two wires through. Get them out here. Put the grommet. Okay, so now once you get through the cap that you made, I mean, it doesn't look that bad. You're gonna put these back in. If they fit. Okay. Voila. There you go. So now, for these, first you're gonna obviously put in the headlight, and then you're gonna plug it. That's it. Oh yeah. Obviously you gotta take the halogen bulb out before you try to install a LED one. Alright, so all done. I'm gonna show you again, but it'll be better at night. Next thing, the plan is to paint this black, this line. Honestly, these eBay lights, they're not that bad. You know, the quality comparing to OEM, obviously, I don't need to tell you. But I mean, for the money I paid, they're not bad. So, thing is, I'm going to paint it black. So it'll be a lot better because, you know, everything is black on the car.